What's going on, everybody? I'm Mr. Bitcoin Maxi, and we are all Bitcoin Maxis. Now, I just wanted to flip the camera on and have a conversation with you all tonight. And I've I noticed something. Why? I want to make this video because I want you all to realize there's only 4% of the world that owns Bitcoin. And who mostly owns that 4%? Institutions like BlackRock, like we all know Michael Saylor and his company, MicroStrategy. They are buying up so much of the Bitcoin. And so a lot of people in the world aren't even exposed to Bitcoin. And if you haven't watched my video on the tiers and what tier you're in, you could be 0.01, zero point 0.1 Bitcoin, 0.001, which is $100. Do you know that even 0.001, which is $100 today, would put you in that 4%? And I don't understand why a lot of people are sidelined, but I believe I might possibly know. And I want to know your thoughts as well in the comments. So, one reason why I think is because there's a lot of media split, right? Back and forth. So, when the price is shooting up, you have the news coverage where it's like Bitcoin, the analysts are saying Bitcoin's going to go to like $250,000. And then you have other media that's saying that Bitcoin is bad. Bitcoin is going to go to zero. Like, what is that? Gold Bug. I think his name is Peter Schiff. And so everybody's saying that Bitcoin is a scam, like Warren Buffett said. So I think that there's a lot of confusion for the average everyday person, in the world, or at least the part of the 96% of the world. They're really confused and are like, well, I don't know if I want to touch it because I'm getting mixed signals from this media. I'm getting mixed signals from that media. And they see the price as well, right? Fluctuating like 20, 40% in a day, right? It goes crazy. And I think a lot of people get scared of that, especially if you're the middle class. The middle class, you might be everyday working family member, right? And like I can't afford that. It feels like ultimately going to the casino and gambling. But that's why I really stress to you all on this channel, because we want to have a long-term mindset. And if you're here watching this and you own any Bitcoin, any at all, you are considered in the 4%. Now, your rank will get higher and higher as you're able to accumulate more. But the key is we want to dollar cost average and have a long-term mindset on Bitcoin, because it's not a get rich quick overnight. I mean, we have heard crazy stories, right? We've heard crazy stories where there's people that have lost their savings overnight. We hear about people that have become just straight millionaires off of it. But we here, the Bitcoin Maxis, we want to maximize our stack and stack smart and stack, for our future. We don't want to be sitting here trading it, because there's friends that I know that trade perpetuals on it and they get wrecked. They've gotten wrecked with the price swings, and that's why I don't touch perpetuals. I don't trade Bitcoin. I don't recommend anybody to trade Bitcoin, because ultimately, to me, that is a form of gambling. And so if anybody's watching this, I don't knock anybody for trading perpetuals, okay? That's something that you want to do, that's completely fine, but I'm just talking for the average everyday working person that doesn't have money just to go and just be trading and gambling, right? And so I think also the issue with 96% of the population not having Bitcoin is they don't understand it. Now, for me, it took me a long time to understand Bitcoin. Have told you guys sometimes on my other videos that it's taken me quite a while. When I got into the Bitcoin weeds of things, I really had to get into the Bitcoin weeds of things, right? And Michael Saylor even talks about that. He said that he had to dive into Bitcoin quite a bit in order to really understand it. But when you understand it, it clicks. It's just like it It's just like a click of a light bulb, right? It's like a light switch. And so I think if you're here watching this and you don't understand Bitcoin, I have recommended books on my channel. Go and please pick those up. I've read those books, they're amazing. I highly recommend them. And so we want to be a part of that 4%. Okay. We want to continuously be part of that 4%. But within that 4%, we want to get our rank higher and higher and higher to where we go from possibly 0.01 to zero point 0.1 and then zero point 0.2 and then zero point 0.5. You know, I always recommend people, if anything, right, to strive for at least zero point 0.5 before you stop stacking. And to me, I don't think anybody should ever stop stacking. But if you're going to stop, to me, it should be around zero point 0.5. Not financial advice, of course. But I just want to come on and give my thoughts on that. I thought it was crazy that only 4% of the world owns any Bitcoin currently. And I want to thank you all for 400 subscribers. And you all have been amazing. You all have really just taken this community by storm and helped me grow it. And I appreciate all of you. And we are going to keep growing this. And I'm going to keep trying to bring you all as much value as I can. So I will see you all in the next video. Have a good day.